This is not a brand new Crocs. I have been using this for the past 2 years and I wear this for every occasion till today since this is my only footwear. This black one is my dad's, blue one is my brother's, and this maroon one is mine. Having three Crocs in my home, I think I am eligible for reviewing this footwear and you can definitely trust this long term review. The MRP is 3495 rupees as of December 2022. Yet you can get this in the range of 1500 rupees to 2500 rupees on Amazon or Flipkart, but the odds of getting a first copy, that is an inauthentic one, is high. I bought this from Amazon for 1700 rupees. By seeing this, I know it's difficult for you to believe that it has been used for 2 years. Just washing it with water every fortnight was all I did when it comes to its periodical maintenance. This blue one is my brother's and he has been using it for the past 1 year. The footwear weighs less and these holes provides ventilation so that your foot sweats less. Comfort is really great. This is the sole of a brand new clogs and this one, which is mine, has worn out to some degree due to its usage for 2 years. Another thing is this strip has got detached over years of usage. Even this one, just after 1 year of usage, the strip tends to come apart. But this is not really an issue because glues like Dendrite or Fevikwik can hold the strip intact. It is apparent that this footwear is dirty. To make it even more filthy, I just scooped some mud from the puddle and smeared over it deliberately to show you how easy it is to clean a Crocs. A toothbrush and a soap is all you need for this process. It takes less than 5 minutes for the footwear to dry completely. Here is my verdict. For comfort, I will definitely give 5 stars. Looks, 5 stars. Ease of maintenance, 5 stars. Durability, 5 stars. And grip, 4 stars. Comfort is of paramount importance when it comes to footwear, and this Crocs clogs is the best footwear I have ever used in terms of comfort and durability. I would definitely recommend this clogs from Crocs. Yours Nandriyulla, the Resistor.